Dentures can very easily be repaired. Depending on the type of fracture that occurs, most times, yes, they can, whether it's a tooth that's chipped off, whether there's a small crack in it, those things can be repaired. If there's a crack through and through on a denture, sometimes, yes, those can be repaired, but if it's an ultimate crack through and through, it's never going to be as strong as it used to be. So you just have to keep that in mind. So yes, minor repairs like a chipped tooth or a small fracture can be repaired. A pathological fracture where it's broken in half, sometimes those can't be, and you're better off just getting a new denture.